Welcome to this third movie about Winter Night Surprise. This is an optional extra movie that you can watch. In this movie, you'll learn how to make the houses scroll or move slowly to the left, continuously at the bottom of the screen. This makes the game a little more challenging because the moving chimneys are a little more difficult to hit. You can use this technique anytime you want to make a background scroll or move across the screen. You'll notice that there are two sprites that have houses called roofs and roofs 2. The first background starts centered on the main screen. The second background is positioned off the screen to the right. The two backgrounds move continuously to the left, and when they reach the left edge of the screen, they wrap around. That's how we achieve the continuous scrolling effect. Please click Roofs 1, then click the Control drawer and drag Forever or drop it just beneath the Go To command. We want to tell the background to move slowly to the left. That means we want to change its X position. Remember that X controls the horizontal movement of sprites. We want its X position to get continuously smaller. That will move the sprite toward the left edge of the screen. To do that, we're going to click the Motion drawer and then drag the Change X By command into the Forever loop. Because we want X to get smaller and smaller, in order to make the sprite move to the left, we're going to subtract 1 from X over and over. That means we're going to put -1 in Change X By. Watch as I click the green flag. You'll see that the houses now move to the left. Of course, only one set of houses is moving, and now we have a big gap here, which we'll fix in a moment. But let's work a little more on this first sprite, this first set of houses. When this set of houses reaches the left edge, we want it to wrap around to the right. To do that, we're going to use a variable called X position. In the Motion drawer, scroll all the way down and grab the X position oval. I'm going to click it once. It tells me that the current X position of the houses is -174. Just to show you how X position works, I'm going to click the green flag and let the houses scroll a little more. Then I'm going to click the X position oval. The houses are at -276, -388, -463, and they get to -465 before they stop. That's as far as they can move. So we want to tell our animation that when the houses reach -465, they should flip around to the right side of the screen. To do that, we click the Control drawer and drag If Then right beneath Change X by -1. Then we click the Operators drawer and we get the equal operator. We're going to drop the X position oval into the first slot and type -465 into the second slot. So now we've told the script that if the X position is equal to -465, we want something to happen. What we want to happen is we want the houses to jump to the right side of the screen. The command that makes sprites jump from one position to another is Go To XY. I'm going to click the Motion drawer and get Go To XY. We want this sprite to jump to a special number, X465. That will put the sprite all the way off the screen to the right, ready to enter the screen again. I'm going to click the green flag and let you see what happens to the first set of houses. They move off the screen slowly to the left. Now they're going to wrap around as soon as they reach the edge, to the left edge, and they start reappearing. Of course, this isn't exactly how we want our animation to be. We also need to make the other houses move to the left, the second set of sprites, so the scrolling appears continuous. To do that, I'm going to use the backpack because I'm going to just copy this script onto the next set of roofs. So I'm going to open the backpack. I'm going to just drag the forever, but not the rest of the script, into the backpack. I'm going to click the roofs and drag this forever back on screen. Now I think you find your animation works perfectly.